Deputy Chairman, sir, the word major port trust in the existing act, the word trust is taken away in this new bill. Probably the government says, don't trust us in the port sector. This bill is brought only to help, I'm sorry to say, Adani's interest in the port sector. India is sold to all the private corporates. Whatever the Congress government created assets is now sold to the private sectors. Chairman, sir, there are three infirmities in this bill. One, it reduces the state government's say over the development of the port. Number two, this list 2 subject entry 18 regarding colonization and master plan is hijacked so far as clause 25 of this bill is concerned. The bill says that the board's master plan will supersede the state's master plan. Therefore, the peaceful coexistence between the development and a harmonious living is taken away. Number 3 is clause 56. This speaks about an adjudicatory board. The adjudicatory board is going to perform the functions of a tariff authority for major ports as well as all other disputes. It's going to hear all other disputes. But the composition consists of one retired judge of Supreme Court and one retired secretary of Government of India and one retired chief secretary of state government. These two members, namely the secretary, they are not expertise at all. In a field of maritime and shipping, you need experts. You are going to take the functions of tariff authority for major ports. Therefore, unless technical persons is there in this board, they can only solve the dispute, they can only understand the problems in the shipping industry, then only they can give the verdict. Therefore, this composition of the two other members, apart from the Supreme Court judge, I would only request the Honorable Minister to replace with the technical persons. Now, if you see the ports are in Tamil Nadu is concerned, it has become like a bus stand. For every 10 kilometers, we have another port. Why these private ports are developed in Tamil Nadu? I would only say that mushrooming more private...
Please conclude.
I'll conclude. Now, there are three things which has to be, problems are there in Tamil Nadu. So far as Chennai is concerned, this Madurai elevated project is not completed. Why you are not completing this Madurai elevated project? Number 2 is Chennai port is not developed as a hub port. It's still reduced because they wanted to sell even the Chennai port to the private sector. Number 3 is they are not looking into the Sethu Samudram shipping canal project. That is a very important project. Only when you bring the Sethu shipping canal project. Therefore, what is the fancy in allowing more number of private ports? And it will become like a bus stand. The Adani Katupalli port expansion, it affects the flora and fauna and the local people are agitating.